Do you want your kid to have the coolest Valentines in the class? I do. If you do too, definitely click this link, guys. These are so cute. They are the little wind-up toys. They run, they fly, they flip. I just thought these were so adorable. These do come in a set of 28. Look at how cute. Flip. I thought these were the cutest things ever. Y'all, them kids have enough candy. They don't even eat half of it. Let them have these fun, cool toys. Look, look. These do come with little hearts that you can tie around their necks. The ties come with it too.